Hi, what's up mga yan? So, hindi na vlog for you. And for today's vlog, come join me na mag-shoot sa akong first ever movie. Ay! Yes, but first, muna ako sa dito dress Eveloches. Yes, I'm on my way to our location. And yes, nanadin mi diri sa among van going to our location na si Direk Dre dito sa Megang Flow. Yes, among location is Capijo diri sa San Fernando. So, beautiful kaayo ang location. So, diri pang shoot ang mga cafe scene. So, manang Omega no, nagsugro siya pagaw padrag oka po nagpa-sofa po din. Can you see the sun? Grabe jud kay lumalaban, nice jud kay ang view diri sa mala kong look sa unang scene, and this is the second look sa akong second scene da. Oh yes, so again we're here to shoot the movie A Quiet Bloom, and this is of course produced by Wolfpack Production. And thank you so much, Sir Sean and Miss Yami, for considering me. I had a bit role in here, but so fun jud kayo to have this experience. Yes, this is the first ever GL movie. I'm so excited to be part of this, like labi na LGBT community represent. And of course, mga yaso na abtan mi gabi idirag nung sinot. Yes, of course. And thank you so much, Kapi Joe, for the accommodation. Nabargibuto na joke yan bike balik og eksena diri. And again, that's my French Flowy, and it's a wrap for us. And this is our lead, Victoria and Lay. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you all and watch the movie A Quiet Bloom coming in June.